get you close to the Garden of Eden. I'll get you close to this finest feeling. It's a new paradigm. We can color outside the line. I'll get you top of the